guys, this is SaberMach here. Once again, thanks for watching this video. Today we have another one of this custom saber that we have just completed. So we are really proud of this piece of saber that we have done because it's something that we have never done before. So this itself is a SID 4. As you can notice immediately, you can see how nice the rose gold plating was done. So this belongs to a Korbanth. So much of Korbanth's saber were cast from a mold itself, and there were many imperfections and mold lines and stuff like that. So what we did with this particular one is that we had it repolished. So we polished everything to remove all the imperfections and lines like that. And then the next process we did was we managed to do this rose gold and chrome two-toned plating. So this is done right here at SaberMach. So this is not powder coating, this is actual rose gold. So it looks really nice. And of course the gold parts are gold plated. So they are all gold plated to get that really nice finishing and touch to it. So just look at how beautiful the plating is done. Right, and this itself is a pretty simple saber.
You have become a rival.
There's an in-hilt LED. Right, flash and flash. This is a 7/8 inch blade. Really cool. So we have already completed this particular saber. So if you're really interested in getting one of this done for your own SID, we do installations here at the SaberMach custom department. So if you just want to get your rose gold plating done as well, instead of powder coating, this can be done professionally right here at SaberMach. So I believe we are probably the only one around that offer this service. So it's really cool. So if you're really interested, do drop us an email at sales@sabermach.com, or if you would like to just get one of our standard products that you can buy off our website, you can go on to www.sabermach.com and take a look for yourself the rest of the other standard sabers that we have. So once again, this is SaberMach Custom. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do let us know what you think. Comment below regarding this personal project that we have done. Alright guys, thanks a lot.